Hello, my friend, and welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. This is day 5 of your English Foundations journey. Today's lesson is a turning point. If you want to speak English fluently, you must stop translating in your head. In this class, you will learn how to think directly in English. Relax, stay focused, and let's begin. English inner voice. First, let's build your English inner voice. Your inner voice is the language you use inside your mind. Right now, your inner voice may not be English, and that's okay. From today, we slowly change it. Repeat after me. I think in English. I speak to myself in English. English is my thinking language. Now try simple inner thoughts. I am hungry. I need water. I am ready. I am learning. Say these sentences quietly in your mind during the day. This is how thinking in English begins. Fast thinking drills. Now let's train your brain to think faster in English. I will say a situation. You think of an English word or sentence quickly. Ready? Morning. I wake up in the morning. Water. I drink water. Phone. I check my phone. Work. I go to work. Rest. I need rest. Good. Speed matters more than perfection. Now repeat these quickly. Wake up, get ready, go out, come back, sleep early. Fast thinking builds fluency. Replace native language habits. Now let's replace old habits. When you see something, do not name it in your native language. Name it in English. Look around you. A chair? Say chair. A door, say door. A phone, say phone. A window, say window. Now actions. Walking, I am walking. Eating, I am eating. Sitting, I am sitting. This small habit will slowly remove translation from your brain. Practice, picture to English. Now, let's practice picture thinking. Imagine a picture. A man sitting at a desk with a laptop and a cup of coffee. Say it in English. He is working on his laptop. He is drinking coffee. Another picture. A woman walking in a park. Say it. She is walking in the park. She looks relaxed. One more. A family eating dinner together. Say, they are eating dinner. They are talking. This is real thinking in English, direct and natural. Final affirmation. Repeat these lines confidently. I think in English. I do not translate. English comes naturally to me. I am becoming fluent. Great job completing day 5, Think in English training. Today, you trained your inner voice, fast thinking, and picture-based English. Practice this daily. Even 5 minutes a day will change how you speak. In day 6, we will focus on real-life conversations and responses. This is 24/7 Talk English. Keep thinking. Keep speaking. See you in day 6.